If you want to learn how to fix a damaged ice shack that maybe the mice got at, or maybe you got your heater too close to, stick around. We'll help you get a handle on things. Hey, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix a damaged ice shack. When you live in the Great White North like we do, you have to do something in the winter times. Today, we're going to go do a little bit of ice fishing. But don't you know it, when I went to pull my ice shack out of storage, it turned out that the mice got to it before I did. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to fix that. So the first thing we want to do is we want to take and remove this damaged area and give ourselves something smooth and easy to work with. So I'm going to take a pen and I'm going to mark where we want to cut it. Now we're pretty close to the window and we're pretty close to the zipper, so we're going to be careful about that. All right, trimming the fish house, we're just going to use a simple pair of shears. And I'm going to cut somewhere close to that line. Hey, could you do us a favor? Go ahead and hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe. It only takes a second and it really helps the channel. Thanks. Now this is the cover for the inside window. And I'm just going to get that out of the way. It's damaged as well, but it's damaged up in an area where you're not going to see it. So I'm just going to reach in and release that from the Velcro. And just let it hang down. Now, in order to make repairs to your fish house, you're going to have some material to do it with. So you can order some material from the manufacturer maybe for a repair, or you can order some material maybe from eBay or Amazon or some other online source. But with this old fish house, it's almost 20 years old, I think, I'm going to just take some material from the skirt that you use for banking. This skirt's already torn anyhow, and I only need a small piece, so I'm going to cut a piece off of here. All right, we've got our patch. I've cut it to size, just a little bit oversized is okay. And we're going to mark the fish house for about where the patch is going to reach. So the reason we marked it is because we're going to spray some spray adhesive on the fish house and the patch and then join them together. And I don't want a big mess of spray adhesive out where I don't need it. So for today's project, we're going to use Gorilla spray adhesive. You could use 3M spray adhesive or any contact cement as well. It's going to make a good permanent patch. The easiest way to do this without making a huge mess is to use a piece of material to cover the area that you don't want sprayed. In this case, I just have a little piece of wood. And we're going to spray our spray adhesive everywhere where the patch is going to go. And then on the back of your patch, make sure you get good coverage with your spray adhesive as well. Give your spray adhesive a few seconds to set up, and once it's sticky to the touch, you can put the two pieces together. It helps if you have a friend holding the board on the other side, so that you have a solid surface to press that patch up against. Now, at your own discretion, you can put another patch on the back side so you have two patches coming together, but I found that this tends to do a good job. That patch looks real good, and it's going to be a good permanent patch. All right, we're going to patch a hole in the window as well while we're here, and the easiest way to do that is with some clear flex tape. Here's our clear flex tape. Well, it's kind of clear. We're going to put it over the top of the crack. And with our helper on the inside holding the board, we'll get her good and stuck. Well, there you have it. For about $5 and 15 minutes of my time, this old fish house that would have cost about $400 to replace is ready to get back out on the ice and go fishing. Thanks for watching.